Want to learn coding but don't know what language to choose? Well, the truth is, it depends.
Different programming languages are used to do different tasks.
We will help you choose the correct programming language. This is a list of some of the most popular languages. Python is the most simple of all of them. Python is used to make simple and complex applications.
JavaScript is the behavior of most websites.
HTML is the structure of most, if not all, websites. CSS is the style of websites. If there was no CSS, websites would. C++ is mostly used for game dev and applications.
Subscribe for more videos.